This video will show you how to perform the security functions of your new 6100 series keypad controller. The full screen will demonstrate the 6162 and the inset is of the 6152. Although the displays look different, the operation is the same. The arming buttons are on the top row of the device. When you're leaving home, you should use the away mode so that the interior and exterior protection is turned on. To arm away, press the Arm Away button for 2 seconds. Or you can enter your code and press 2, the Arm Away key to arm in the away mode. If you're at home and are arming the system, use the Stay mode. In the Stay mode, the system sounds an alarm if a protected door or window is opened, but otherwise you can move freely around your house. To arm in the Stay mode, press the Arm Stay button for 2 seconds. Or you can enter your code and press 3, the Arm Stay key to arm in the Stay mode. If you're home and would like the interior protection off, but would like the door to alarm immediately when opened, use the Night mode. To do this, press the Arm Night Stay button for 2 seconds, or enter your code and press the 3 key twice. After you have selected one of these arming modes, disarming the system is easy. Just enter your code and press the 1 button, which is the Disarm key. This will turn off the system and silence the sounder. There may be times when you want to open a window or door, but still have the security system on. If that's the case, use the bypass feature. Enter your code and press 6, the Bypass Zones button, and then the zone number to be bypassed. If you would like to know when a protected door or window is open, use the Chime mode. In the Chime mode, you will hear a beep each time a protected door or window is open. To use the Chime mode, enter your code and press 9, the Chime mode button. To turn it off, enter your code and press 9, the Chime mode key.